not playing.
Welcome back to our channel.
Oh
Jasmine's trying to fight me right now because I'm trying to vlog so that you can look back at this and be like, oh wow, we had a good time, but instead you're gonna look back at you yelling at me. So we're in here with Tristan and Angie.
I'm not even yelling.
Just like hit you.
Can you're returning?
Imbecile. All right, we'll be back.
Oh shit!
Maybe we won't. Okay, so we are on the road still.
I can't pay attention to the camera because I'm gonna crash your car.
We didn't anticipate traffic, but here we are. We're gonna go to Chick-fil-A before because we always get really hungry.
Chloe, do you have chapstick?
I can chew it off.
Maybe.
Why the fuck would I? Bro, you're stupid as fuck. I think I have one in here. Yep.
Okay, there you
But
go.
I lost my other one.
Yeah. Anyways, I'll film more later.
It was in his car for like 3 months.
Hey, car.
Even if it fucks.
All right, so we just got to Chick-fil-A. What did you guys get?
I got a number 5 with no tomatoes. The tomatoes
What's a
can
number
suck my
5?
dick. It's a grilled chicken.
It's a.
It's a grilled chicken.
Grassy.
I got nuggets.
I got nuggets.
I got
Spicy deluxe.
spicy dogs. Yeah.
And I also got spicy deluxe.
And I got lemonade.
I didn't
The
get the meal though
strawberry
because I'm a broke bitch.
You know strawberries lemonade is 30 cents more. What the fuck? I can't, guys.
Oh, that guy has a girlfriend.
Where?
Over there. The one that looks like
No.
whatever.
All right, now we're on the way to the beach.
So
So
it's we get the blankets.
it's like about to rain, so we're putting the top on.
Put Amber up, bitch.
One time she worked.
I feel sorry for us.
Yeah, because it's starting to rain. You guys see
Like,
that?
all right.
She's like, you dumb bitches.
She's like, fine, I'll work.
Kind of, just a little tilted.
Damn, I'm fat, dude. That was fucking rude.
We probably should have thought about this.
It didn't even say it was gonna be cloudy. It said it was gonna be sunny and 65. What?
Can I get a slutty
Brownie?
Can I get a dirty something? Can I get a
Dirty whore. That's what you said, though.
Can I get a dirty Shirley?
Fuck. That fucking hurt.
I stepped on a rock. Ow, I think it bit me.
The Rock?
The rock bit you.
Yeah.
It used its teeth.
Dwayne Johnson bit me.
She said, oh, she's kind of cute.
Over here.
Oh, there's actually a lot more people than I thought. Oh my god, is that a bird? Hey.
It's okay, Chloe's in my picture.
She was fine when Angie was in her picture. Damn, Chloe.
I know, Tristan's just like,
She
I
said
am
you're
that
ugly.
ugly bitch.
She said you're ugly. She said you're ugly.
Oh. Yeah, I have to pee.
God damn it.
Oh yeah, what about the blanket?
It's a hydro.
She expensive.
They're gonna fucking steal our shit.
I don't back up. Don't get stolen.
Just standing there. Robbed. Don't get robbed. Oh my god, I just peed a little bit. Amber, please.
I don't like it.
Oh, shit.
I don't like it. Ew. I'm scared. Can they leave?
They better scram.
Bitches.
These white bitches.
Jasmine!
Guys, no!
Jasmine, just feed it!
I want it. like circled around us.
What's up? What?
You're in Illinois.
Why?
No, close. Eating Chick-fil-A on the beach, and I'm at work.
Oh my god.
But you wanna see what's happening to us? We're trying to eat Chick-fil-A and all these birds are surrounding us, trying to get us.
Not that much.
Don't vlog me eating, bro. That's hella rude.
Alright, so what do you guys rate the day so far?
4.
Out of 5.
What the fuck? I was about to be like, bro, you're walking your ass straight up the stay at this fucking beach.
Out of 5.
The way me and Tristan looked at you, bro, we both turned around. We were like, what the fuck?
Out of 5.
I was gonna say
was like,
10, but okay.
4 because
4. I was like, and you knew.
I'm terrified of heights.
And birds.
And birds.
And we conquered both those fears today. But besides that, look at the dog. Hi, babies. Come here.
I don't know how I'm gonna drive back.
I'll drive.
Angie's mood today.
Bitch.
Yeah, there's also
Accurate. Do it for the clickbait. No, I'm kidding.
I don't even. That's disgusting. That's a pickle. Oh yeah, there's pickles.
Thank you. Yeah. Guys, you won't run into the ocean for the clickbait. I won't.
Everybody's just fighting over a fucking circle. Yours is ugly.
Yours isn't even a circle. It shouldn't even count.
Bitch, what is that?
Go. Wait. Wait. Go. Why are we going fast? We look so dumb. We look so stupid.
Hi vlog, I'm Angie.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's not that bad.
It's freezing hot. It's cold.
Oh,
She said it's not that bad.
I didn't think it was that bad.
I know. Only Angie, half Angie circles around.
That final was weird. It was easy. Yeah, we had to do like 5.
Guys, you have to get in because I can't move it.
I think you just have a bruise.
No, it feels like a sunburn. Oh my
Let me
god.
look at this. I've never had a sunburn.
I've always been
White face.
dark right there.
I can't talk today.
Is it red?
No, I don't see red.
Okay, then I guess I'm not sunburned, but that shit hurt. Oh shit, there's a man.
Oh my god.
Side of the road. Oh, there's a car outside. So.
Oh my god. Well, we'll see you guys when we're home, if we get home.
Okay.
Wait, Chloe. Let's get this for Angie. Oh my god. I was thinking this one. It looks more expensive.
Why is there 50? These things are probably expired 50% off.
They trying to get us baby boomers.
Wait, for real? What the hell are we supposed to do? I need a pee. Drive where we're supposed to, and if we find a place where we can pee, then
Okay.
Jeez, you're gonna vlog?
Yeah. Hey guys. So after what, like 2 hours basically of driving. Yeah. We are here in Dixon, back to the hillbilly town that we live in. Angie's like dead asleep. Do not hate me for that. Tristan fell asleep for a little bit too, and Jasmine didn't fall asleep. I'm glad. She got us here alive. So
Barely.
yeah, but we're still alive. Yeah, so it was a really fun day. How do you become a YouTuber? What is YouTube?
Say like and subscribe.
Subscribe. Oh wait,
Hit the
no.
notification bell.
They're also buy the merch. Yeah, buy the merch is most important.
We don't have merch.
We'll make one. the ones that we did with the self timer. We just have all our face on our shirt.
I saw that. I saw that.
What happened?
She. I pressed, and then I hit the guys, and then I pressed again, and run.
Why didn't you tell me I could have got it?
I didn't know I was gonna do it. I just like didn't fucking break completely.
Anyways, yeah.
I was sleeping good.
Okay, that's not my fault. You don't know how to move your head.
I like don't know how to break.
Okay.
It's a bad YouTuber. I don't know who let me do this.
Apparently.
Yeah, apparently.
Yeah, I'm just.
You guys get ice cream?
No. Does it look like we have ice cream?
Did you guys get ice cream?
Where the fuck do you see the ice cream in our hand?
Did you guys get ice cream? How's your Mimi's?
It was so good.
Did you guys have fun? Alright.
You say no.
She said no. I said yeah. I guess. She said one more.
Oh, wait. I hate you, as you can tell.
Bye, Tristan.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi, Tristan.
See you later.
There's your bag.
Oh, thank you. We got our Frosties. And a burger. Yeah, so this is the end of the vlog now. Not much else. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, do all that. Buy our merch. Actually, don't. I'm sorry. Yeah, no, don't.